Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Today, like the title of my video suggests, my $54 supermarket skincare routine. Like I always said, getting a good skincare routine doesn't have to cost a lot of money. It's just a matter of finding the right products and for your skin condition. So let's get straight into it today. Skincare routine. You always start with a cleanser. So one of the really nice cleanser that I have recently discovered is by this company called Swisse. And they produce a lot of really good products, a lot of really good beauty supplements, healthcare supplements. But this one here is gorgeous. I've only just recently discovered this. So you can combine a cleanser and an exfoliator with this product. It uses powdered bamboo stems, rice bran water, and if you look at the bag, it's on the ingredients, it's got a whole lot of fruit and seed oil just to moisturize your skin, so that your skin doesn't get too dry after you've cleansed it in the shower. And guess how much this product is? I'm going to look down here. $10 from the Chemist warehouse. So after you cleanse, what do? Moisturize. The first thing you need to do is moisturize your eyes. Our eye area here is some of the most delicate skin in our entire body, and it gets dry really easily. And you know what happens when our skin gets dry? It turns into wrinkles. So my eye cream, to me this is one of the cheapest eye cream around for $14. This eye cream contains caffeine. Caffeine is known for tightening your skin. Caffeine, argan oil. Argan oil is a very moisturizing oil. It's got vitamin K. So this is what I use right now. So really cheap. After your eye cream, face cream. In our supermarkets nowadays, especially here in New Zealand, we've got such a good range of New Zealand made and Australian made skincare, and this is one of them. It's called Glow Lab. If I can find it, Glow Lab, and they have cleansers, toners, and even masks. And this one is the restoring night cream. They have a day cream as well. Guess how much this is? Glow Lab, $15. I'm just going to show you the texture. Just open it for you. See, I've used most of it. It's only a little bit left. Every skincare routine finishes with a sunblock. There you are. My favorite sunblock. I've used this for, I think, 6-7 years. By Cancer Society, and you choose the one that says face sunblock. It's got 50 plus UVA, UVB, broad spectrum. And you try and choose one that says face, because then it has a little bit more moisturizer in the sunblock, so it's less thick and waxy sometimes. So this is just gorgeous. You can either put this on top of your moisturizer, or you could just mix them both together, which is what I do. And then you're well protected from the sun's harmful rays. So there you are. I've added all 4 products together. I'll just read to you again the price of them. Swisse bamboo, this is your cleanser and exfoliator. You don't have to buy an exfoliator. All together in one, $10. Your eye cream, $14. Your Glow Lab moisturizers, $15. And your sunblock, $15. All together, $54. So for $54, you got an entire skincare routine sorted out. And this is, you can just do this every day for the next how many months. Hey, you can't go wrong. Thank you so much for watching. If you're first time visiting my site today, thank you so much and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Until then, bye.